In this video, I'm going to show you how to install FilmPlus on your FireStick so you can enjoy a wide variety of movies and TV shows directly on your big screen. FilmPlus is a popular streaming app that provides access to free content, including the latest movies and TV series. Since it's not available in the Amazon App Store, you'll need to sideload it onto your FireStick using a third-party source. Here's how you can do it. First, ensure your FireStick is ready by enabling Apps from Unknown Sources in the Developer Options under Settings. This allows you to install apps from sources outside the Amazon App Store. Next, go to the home screen of your FireStick, navigate to the search bar, and type Downloader. Install the Downloader app, as it will help you download FilmPlus directly onto your device. Once the Downloader app is installed, open it and enter the URL of a trusted source hosting the FilmPlus APK file. Make sure to find a reputable website. After entering the URL, download the APK file and wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, return to your FireStick's home screen and launch FilmPlus. On the first launch, you may be prompted to grant permissions like storage access. Accept these permissions to ensure the app works properly. Once inside the app, you'll see categories like movies, TV shows, genres, and more. Browse through the available content, select what you want to watch, and start streaming. For the best experience, consider using a VPN to bypass geo-restrictions and protect your privacy while streaming. If you encounter any issues, such as buffering or app crashes, try clearing the app cache or reinstalling the APK file. Additionally, make sure your FireStick software is up to date, as outdated firmware can sometimes cause compatibility issues. That's it. You now know how to install and use FilmPlus on your FireStick. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.